Hey beauties, I hope all of you are doing great. I am back with an amazing look that I did last Diwali. I'm gonna be starting with the Nivea moisturizer. I actually really love these products from Nivea, mainly because I want my base to be very tacky. I also use the Lineage lip mask as a lip balm to prep my lips. And now I'm going to be using the LA Girl Peach Corrector to correct any discoloration that may be under my eyes and around my mouth. Now here my complexion was quite fair, so the Peach Corrector has really worked well to cover the discoloration as well as correct it. I'm going to be using the MAC Studio Fix foundation in the shade NC30. I am the biggest fan of MAC products. They work like a dream on all skins. It does not matter how your skin is, as long as you prep it well, MAC foundation work like a dream. I'm also using a sponge which is from Rumor Cosmetics Marshmallow Sponge. I absolutely adore this brand. They have the most beautiful sponges I have ever used in my entire life. To contour my face, I'm going to be using the Sugar Cosmetics foundation in the shade Espresso. I'm going to be pretty generous with this since I want a spotlight effect on the center of my face. As you can see, I'm looking really bronze. I'm using the Morphe concealer in the shade 3.25. Morphe concealers are the most amazing drugstore concealers I have ever used, and now I'm so excited, so thrilled that Morphe is finally in India. Now, as you can see, I am not changing the sponges that I'm using. The reason for this is, and this is what I learned from Painted by Spencer, when you use the same sponge, it blends your makeup out seamlessly, one step into the other. To set my face, I'm using the Too Faced loose powder. And as a bronzer, I'm going to be using the Physicians Formula Butter Bronze in the shade Deep Bronze. To fill in my scanty brow, I'm going to be using the PAC Super Brow Cream in the shade 02. I really love this product. It looks absolutely seamless and natural, and me being very lacking in the eyebrow department, it works wonders for me. I'm gonna be using the P. Louise base number 2 to carve out under my eyebrows and also even out the base of my eyes. I'm gonna be using two eyeshadow palettes today. This is the Huda Beauty New Nude palette and also the Morphe James Charles palette. This is the mini one and I love the pigments in this. To create my transition, I'm going to use the shade Teddy from the New Nude palette and intensify it with the shade Raw. I'm using the shade Boutique from the James Charles palette on the outer corner of my eye to create some depth. Blending it out really well. Using the shade Dystopian from Anastasia Beverly Hills Sultry palette, I'm going to be creating the outer V. We are going to be doing the half cut crease today, and to do so, I'm going to be using the P. Louise base. Now I selected this technique especially because I wanted the shimmers from the New Nude palette to pop. First, I'm going to be using the shimmer Crave from the New Nude palette. And I'm going to blend it out with the shimmer Charmed And finally, on the center of the lid, I'm gonna be using the shade Kinky, which is a mauvey pink shimmer shade. Using the Shimmer eye pencil, I'm gonna fill in the waterline and blend it out with the shade Boutique from the Morphe palette. And using the NYX Epic Ink liner to draw a small winged liner. Using the Maybelline Falsies Push Up Drama Mascara, I'm loading on my lashes before applying the falsies. I'm gonna be using the lashes from Roofer Beauty. These are my favorite style, Elsa. These look really beautiful, don't you think? I'm dusting off any excess powder that I may have left on. And I'm going to be using the Juvia Saharan 2 palette and using the corally pink shade to add some color to my cheeks. I really love this palette, it's super pigmented. I'm going to be using the shade Plum Tuxedo from L'Oreal Rouge lipstick collection. I'm gonna fill it in with the Flat Out Fabulous from MAC, and I thought it was a little too pink, so I added a pink orangey kind of an eyeshadow to change the color. To add some glow to my face, I'm gonna be using my most favorite drugstore highlighter from Wet n Wild called Precious Petals on the high points of my face. For the finalist touch, I'm going to be using a cute red bindi to finish my look. I hope you guys love this look. I really enjoyed creating this look, especially the Indian coal eyes were the most fun part to create. I hope you loved it. Please let me know how you like this look. Comment down below, like and share, and do recreate this look and tag me whenever you do. I will be back with another wonderful look for you. See you guys. Bye.